Today, I will speak about the power of communication. Imagine waking up in an ICU, not knowing where you are, what's the time, if it's day or night, without the basic capability to express your needs. ICU delirium is a cognitive decline that is affecting almost 80% of the patients that are visiting ICUs, that is leading to longer staying in the ICU, higher mortality, very high correlation with dementia, and billions of dollars of costs annually to the US healthcare systems alone. The critical care guidelines are very clear. Providing better communication, orientation, family engagement can reduce ICU delirium. However, the medical staff is already too overloaded with so many daily tasks that they are not providing the relevant communication interactions with the patients. EyeControl Med is the first personalized communication platform following the patient journey from the heavy sedation until they wake up. We are providing the patient the relevant communication according to their awareness capabilities and cognitive capabilities. How do we do it? We are following the eye movement of the patient 24/7 with an infrared eye tracking camera while providing the audio personalized companion to the patient. Once we see that the patient is starting to recover, we create two-way dynamic of communications for doing pain assessment, cognitive assessments together with the patient as well. And we are also enabling for the first time the family members to be part of the communication interactions with the family in a very close units of the ICU, being able to send communications remotely. It doesn't matter if they are in Tel Aviv sending communications to Boston or vice versa for the first time inside the units of the ICUs. All of these interactions is being shown on one nurse station dashboard that centralizes all the different devices 24/7 inside the unit. So basically, we are providing the critical care A to F bundle that should be given by the staff. We are supporting them, providing them on a personalized way, on the relevant language, on the relevant capabilities of the cognitive capabilities of the patients and their awareness state. So where are we? EyeControl is already regulated with FDA, CE, AMAR as a communication solution. We are currently the supplier for the Israeli largest HMO Clalit. This last year we were very active, as you can imagine, as well with younger populations, including many soldiers in the different hospitals. And we're also included in the Israeli health basket for the patients being funded fully for the outpatients as well. Last month we completed our first commercial site in the US as a pilot with the Northwell Hospital chain in New York, successfully also with high rating satisfactions from families, clinicians, and we're moving to the chain implementation. In parallel to this activity, we're doing clinical trials. We have done clinical trials demonstrating significant results in reducing ICU delirium on smaller cohorts, and we're aiming to implement the technology as the first technology approved by the FDA to reduce ICU delirium. We are currently running a multi-center clinical trial, including the Bet Israel and 2 Israeli sites, funded by the BIRD. The business model is based on the capital equipment, the disposable that has to be replaced between every patient, and of course, software creating recurring revenue streamlines. And in this amazing journey, we had an amazing partnerships, including the European Bank investments and grants. We've recently received funding as well from the Google AI Fund, as you can imagine, where conversation can take place as well as a personal companion. The BIRD Foundation, leading healthcare investors, and an amazing team that is doing all of these efforts to change the way of communication and give every patient their control back. Thank you.